Hey everyone, my name is Minjeo. Welcome back into Trainz Simulator 2019. Today's train race is the LNER A1 Peppercorn, running under British Railways, against the FEF3 844. So, if you're brand here and don't know how to get these two amazing locomotives going at the exact same time, all you want to need to do is press spin the keyboard to pause the game. Now, there are two ways that you can make the dial in the bottom right hand corner move. You can either hold down your W key, like I just did, or you can click and drag it with your mouse. Just make sure you don't drag it backwards, otherwise you'll go backwards and die. Then, once you're ready to go, just press the P key again, then off we go. Done.